Namaste. Welcome to Beauty and Colorful Tales. I'm Yolandi, a qualified skincare therapist, also known as a somatologist. And on this platform of mine, I share anything beauty, skincare, nail care, tips, and tricks. So if you haven't yet, feel free to like and subscribe to join us on a healthy, radiant, glowing skincare journey. Today, I want to discuss how to achieve a glowing and radiant skin at home using basic kitchen ingredients. We all have one or two or three of these simple ingredients in our homes on a daily basis, and they can really work wonders for our skin. Let's dig into the secret keys to a glowing and radiant skin in our kitchens. We want to go for the best ingredients that, if carefully blended into our skincare regime, can help us achieve a natural glow. Honey is a natural humectant. It makes the skin glow due to trapping moisture in the skin. You can use this as a standalone mask, or you can blend it with one or two other ingredients like curds or lemon to achieve a radiant and glowing skin. Avocados aren't just delicious to eat, but they are abundant in healthy fats as well as vitamins and antioxidants which feed the skin. We can once again use this as a standalone mask, or we can mix it with one or two other ingredients like honey or curd or egg white. Yogurt or curd is a staple in our kitchen, and I'm sure in a lot of other homes as well. Yogurt is full of probiotics, but it also contains lactic acid that aids in gentle exfoliation of the skin, and it cools and hydrates the skin amazingly, especially if your skin's a little bit irritated. You can use it on its own on the skin, or you can mix it with either honey or oatmeal to achieve a light and glowing skin. Oatmeal is another staple in our home, and once again, I'm sure in a lot of other homes out there as well. Oatmeal has a very soothing, hydrating, and exfoliating effect on the skin. It acts as a mild scrub that helps to remove the dead skin cells without irritating the skin. So it is a really beneficial ingredient for very sensitive skin types. You can combine it with either honey or curd for a nice, refreshing DIY scrub that will leave your skin glowing with radiance. Turmeric, I know, is a staple in everyone's homes. Turmeric contains anti-inflammatory properties as well as aid the skin in glowing. When you combine it with either yogurt or honey, it gives your face a natural glow by brightening it. I absolutely love cucumber. The moisture content of cucumber hydrates the skin. You can apply it in thin slices over the face, almost like a sheet mask, or you can make a pulp and mix a little bit of honey with it for a refreshing, hydrating mask. And for those suffering with tired, puffy eyes, this is absolutely amazing. Cut a slice for each eye, and then you would just go and relax with a slice of cucumber over your eye and let the cucumber do its work by depuffing and nourishing the eye area. Lemons can do wonders for the skin. Now, I know I've done a video before where I said that I do not recommend using lemons on the skin. That is mainly using it alone, as it is quite acidic and cause irritation on the skin. But lemons is high in vitamin C, and when used correctly, it can be beneficial for the skin. So what you would do is you would dilute or mix a few drops of lemon with honey or curds to create a natural and effective face mask to help and brighten your skin. Coconut oil is another one of the ingredients that I've mentioned in the previous video not to be used on the skin. Now, the main reason for that is a lot of people are prone to breakouts, like they get pimples really easily. So I won't recommend you using coconut oil on the skin. But if you've got very dry skin, this is an amazing ingredient. Due to the fatty acids in the coconut oil, it aids in sealing and moisture in the skin. Now, this can be used as a gentle makeup remover as it helps to dissolve the makeup from the skin, but I do recommend using warm water as well as a good gentle cleanser afterwards to remove the oil from the skin. You can also add in a couple of drops with either curd or honey or a little bit of oatmeal for a soft, radiant, glowing and well-nourished skin when used as a mask. Papaya is a delicious fruit, and it's got a lot of benefits as well. It contains an enzyme called papain that aids in gentle exfoliation of the skin, helping the skin to rid of dead skin cells and aids in helping the skin to glow. You can use it as a face mask where you would mix it up into a pulp. You would add in a little bit of honey or curds for an enhanced skincare routine. In conclusion, a radiant and glowing skin can be achieved with minimal ingredients that we all have in our home. But Caution is key. Always do a patch test to ensure that there's no adverse reactions, as well as for safe and effective use. Remember with skincare that it's never one size fits all, meaning that what works for one person might not work for you. So always be careful and wary when you are using and trying new ingredients or new products. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe to join us all in a healthy, radiant and glowing as well as a bright skincare journey. I'll see you all in the next one.